Hello, my friends. Today we are creating a wreath that tells a story of patience, love, and the quiet beauty of handmade things. This is the tale of a magical wreath made of pine cone jute and little bullet crafts, born from nature, shaped by hands, and filled with hearts. It was a cold evening in December, and the world outside was wrapped in snow. In a small wooden cottage stood a woman named Clara, who loved the sound of crackling fire and the smell of pine. But that year's Christmas did not feel bright, the lights seemed dimmer, the laughter quieter. The town was tired, the people busy, and joy seemed far away. Clara wanted to bring that lost magic back. Not the money, not with the store bought glitter, but with her hands and heart. She looked around her little workshop, a few pine cones from the forest, some jute rope, old and rough, and a box of bullet shapes, metal pieces she once used for crafts, dull now but waiting for a purpose. She whispered softly, "Let's turn the forgotten into something beautiful." Clara tied the jute, winding it in circles, feeling its strength between her fingers. The texture reminded her of life, rough sometimes but unbreakable. Each pine cone she added carried a memory, her childhood walks through the forest, the crunch of snow, her father's laughter echoing in the trees. She glued them gently, letting them sit like little stars on a winter night. Then came the bullet crafts, small metallic imperfects. She painted them with golden colors, turning cold metal into glowing ornaments. They shimmered softly under the candlelight, a reminder that even tough, lifeless things can shine again. As she worked, a soft wind brushed through her window, and she thought she heard a whisper, like the forest itself was watching. Maybe it was imagination, or maybe it was the spirit of nature smiling at her creativity. Clara smiled too. She added spring to green leaves, tiny berries, and a touch of that ribbon, red ribbon. The wreath. The wreath began to breathe, rustic, natural, and alive with warmth. Each part of it carried a story. The jute spoke of simplicity, the pine cone whisper at the forest heart. The bullet craft shone with transformation, a symbol of turning hardness into harmony. Just as Clara finished, there was a knock at the door. A young boy from the neighborhood stood there, shivering slightly. He was holding a broken toy car. "Miss Clara," he said, "my mother said you fix things. Can you fix this?" Clara smiled and invited him in. As she worked on his toy, the boy's eyes wandered to the glowing wreath hanging by her window. "It's beautiful," he said softly. "Where did you buy it?" Clara chuckled. "Oh, I did not buy it. I made it from an old pine cones and jute. Even the shiny parts were once dull." The boy's eyes widened. "You mean you made all this from old things?" "Yes," she said gently, "because beauty does not come from what we buy, it comes from what we create." The next morning the boy returned with his mother, and she had brought a few neighbors too. They wanted they wanted to see the magical wreath everyone had started talking about. When they saw it, they felt something, a quiet joy, a spark of creativity, a reminder of simple things. Soon, the whole street began to make their own wreath, with twigs, paper, fabric, even bottle caps. Laughter filled the air again. Children ran with the paint on their hands. Women shared ribbons and yarn, and men gathered pine cone from the woods. Clara looked around and thought, "She is what Christmas truly means, hands working together, hearts shining with kindness." As Christmas evening arrived, every door in the little town had a handmade wreath. Each one told a story of hope, creativity, and love reborn. Clara stood quietly by her window looking at her own wreath, her masterpiece of pinecone jute and golden bullet craft, and she smiled. It was no longer just a decoration, it was a symbol, a reminder that the simplest hand can make the grandest magic. So when you make your wreath today, let it cry, let it carry your story. Let every knot of jute, every pine cone, and every shine remind you that beauty lives in effort, not expense. Because every handmade thing carries a piece of your soul. Thank you for joining me today. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep crafting love one wreath at a time, one with jute, pinecone, and a heart full of Christmas light. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing this moment. Hello, my friends. Today we are creating a wreath that tells a story.